Welcome to our Blackboard channel. Today we are going to discuss about class 10th chapter 3 acid, base and salts, part 10, pH scale. To avoid the negative power of H plus concentration in dilute acid and base solution, Sorensen introduced the concept of pH. Due to this, pH concept may be restricted for solution of H plus ion concentration less than 1 molar. Here Sorensen defined pH as the pH is the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Here we can write it as equation like this: pH is equal to minus log H plus concentration base 10. So here pH is said to be potence of H plus concentration. Potence means here power. So power of H plus, we can say it as a pH. So here let us see how to calculate this pH value. Consider the aqueous solution of 0.001 m hydrochloric acid. So here HCl, ionized it as H plus plus Cl minus. So we know that HCl is a strong acid. It ionizes completely and produces equal concentration of H plus and Cl minus. The concentration of HCl is here, H plus concentration is equal to 0.001 m. Here, according to that formula, pH is equal to minus log H plus concentration base 10. While substituting that H plus concentration value, here pH is equal to minus log 0.001. That is minus log 10 to the power of minus 3. So in logarithm, power becomes coefficient of log. So minus 3 into log 10 base 10. That is minus of minus 3 become plus 3. Log 10 base 10 is 1. So that is equal to 3. Means when H plus ion's concentration is 10 to the power of minus 3 mole ion per liter, then the value of pH of H plus ion's concentration is denoted as 3. Like this, Sorensen prepared a scale that which we call it as pH scale. In pH scale, we will find all the concentrations are in numerals 0 to 14. The pH scale is from 0 to 14. The pH is an indication of concentration of H plus ions. For example, at a pH of 0, the hydronium ion concentration is 1 molar. The concentration of H plus in water in most solution fall between a range of 1 mole, that is pH equal to 0, and 10 to the power of minus 14 moles, that is pH is equal to plus 14. Here you can see the pH scale prepared by the Sorensen. So based on this pH scale, these solutions are classified into 3 types. Here, a solution containing pH value less than 7 is said to be an acids, and pH solutions containing pH value is more than 7 is said to be bases, and solutions which contain pH value exactly 7, that is considered as neutral solutions. So here between 0 to 7 are acids, and between 7 to 14 bases, and exact 7 said to be neutral solutions. Now you see here the pHs of different substances here. A battery, its pH is 0, and stomach acid means hydrochloric acid, pH value 1, lemon 2, and soda water means carbonic acid 3, tomato which contain ascorbic acid, its pH is 4, and coffee pH is 5, milk pH is 6, water 7, pure water is 7, and blood 8, egg white 9, and stomach tablets and acids 10, ammonium solution 11, soap 12, bleach pH is 13, and drain cleaner pH 14. Here in previous the activity what we did, we got different solutions here, different colors. So in these colors, first of all we have taken sulfuric acid. In second test tube we have taken hydrochloric acid, and in this way ammonium chloride, and another one we have taken sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, and sodium hydroxide. So here we got while adding pH indicator, so here we got different colors in different test tubes, and comparing the color given by this pH indicator in different solution, comparing that colors with the pH scale, we have identified approximately the pH values of the solution which we have tested by using universal indicator. Now the results are: sulfuric acid has given a red color, so its approximation value is 0. It's a strong acid. Hydrochloric acid also approximately has given reddish in color only, so its approximation value is 1. It is also strong acid. Then acetic acid we have taken in it, and while testing with the pH paper we got a pale green color, means its value pH value is 5. It's a weak acid. Similarly, ammonium chloride also gave us a pale green color. It may be either 5 or 6. It is also weak acid. Sodium carbonate gave blue color by testing it with pH paper or pH solution. So that means its pH value is approximately 9. It's a weak base. Sodium chloride, it has given green color in solution while testing it with pH paper or pH indicator solution. So that means it is approximately 7. So whose pH is 7, we know that it is a neutral solution. Sodium hydroxide has given violet color, so its approximation value is 10. It's a strong base. And also if while testing this tap water, we got purple color, so purple color approximately it is 9 its pH value, and it is also weak base. And tomato juice has given yellow color by testing it with pH paper or a solution of pH, so its approximation value is 4. So it is also weak acid. In this way, by using pH paper or pH solution, we can identify whether the substance is an acid or it's a neutral substance or it is a base. And also by using this pH scale, we can able to find the strength of the acid and bases also. I hope you have understood this pH scale concept. In next session, we will discuss about the importance of pH in our daily life. Thank you. Have a nice day.